Good day to you and welcome to another Paddocks Club tutorial. Today I want to deal with the subject of sectional title attorneys. Do you know any good ones? The reason I ask this is that we get regular inquiries. Because we don't actually do litigation or debt collection or very much in the form of direct work with the public, we regularly ask, can we recommend a sectional title attorney to whom people who would like to use us but can't can be referred. How do you find an attorney who knows his or her way around sectional title issues? Well, there's some people who've published books and there's some people who've gained a high profile for other reasons, but the question is, who's good, who's in the market today? Historically, I've been very chary about this particular issue. I have said, no, we don't recommend attorneys because very often the transaction proves unsatisfactory. If you think about it, anybody going to an attorney, you've got a 50% chance of losing whatever he's doing, and it's not hard to fall out with attorneys, I believe. So, the chances are that people aren't going to be particularly happy, and I've taken a rather selfish view that I don't want to be considered responsible for the standard of legal services that are given by people I don't control. Typical controlling aspect, which is probably not so good. I'm also not interested in checking other lawyers' work, on the basis of they'll do the work and I'll have a look at it. It's not my interest. I find that very stressful. In the library, under other resources, we do keep a list of the attorneys who have done the STSM course and who are Paddocks Club members, but there are in fact very few of them. So I'm come up with a new approach. My attitude at the moment is, if Paddocks Club members tell us that an attorney has given good service and has given good sectional title service, we can pass that recommendation on to somebody who asks for an attorney in that town or province. So here's my request for today. Please tell me, or tell us, of good sectional title attorneys and what particular areas of work you have found them to be good at. So, for example, say Joe Smith or Joe Taron is an excellent debt collector, or he advised us at meetings and he was absolutely spot on, he knew exactly what we needed, his charges were reasonable, etc. Or whatever this particular subject of his work or her work was. Also, if you had bad experiences with attorneys doing sectional title work, similarly pass them along. That'll allow us to ameliorate our picture of any particular person. So if one member thinks that Mr. or Mrs. ABC is absolutely great at debt collection, but three others report that they've had bad service in that area, we'll know that we should be careful about giving out that recommendation. Thank you, and I would appreciate Paddocks Club members giving me the benefit of their advice in this regard, which they can do in the discussion forum. Thank you.